Do's and don'ts, renovating your home to increase its value. Welcome to Home Trust, where we bring you interior design tips, tricks, inspirations, and reviews. Whether you are downsizing or upgrading, you'll likely want to get the maximum value you can out of your home that you're about to sell. 2 things to keep in mind. Number 1, renovations only add value if the buyer likes them. Number 2, overly designed or custom renovations can turn off potential buyers. Here are some things that will likely increase your resale value. Kitchen upgrades, updating the cabinets, replacing the flooring, sinks, faucets, and installing kitchen islands. Number 2, bathrooms. Updating sinks, faucets, replacing old tiles, and upgrading shower heads and other fixtures. Number 3, built-in storage. Because who doesn't love more storage space? Here are some things that will not increase your resale value. Custom built-ins that have a niche instead of a mass appeal. For example, built-in wine units and built-in aquariums. Knocking down walls to combine rooms. Or anything that has a very bold, specific look. For example, colorful wall paint or old-school mosaic tiles. We hope these tips give you a better idea of what not to do during your home renovation process when you're trying to increase the value of your property, and that you do not incur unnecessary expense during this transition process. For more home renovation tips, tricks, inspirations, and reviews, do give us a follow and stay tuned for more.